creating an exhilarating double rooftop water slide for our Magnetic Ball Villa ASMR experience. Hello everyone! We are Magnet Easy. Today, we have a special project creating an exhilarating double rooftop water slide for our Magnetic Ball Villa ASMR experience. We will need to use magnetic balls in 6 main colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, with 15,000 balls of each color, along with several hundred white and black magnetic balls for decoration. Prepare 5mm thick Formex sheets to create a foundation to ensure the house doesn't collapse. Also, have your paper cutting tools, scissors, glue, and colored paper ready for decoration. Pay close attention as I demonstrate how to create the blocks and use different colors, then follow along. To keep things interesting during the building process, we will share with you a story about 3 adventurous mice who used magnetic balls to build their villa. With their tiny paws and a bag full of magnetic balls of various colors, the trio embarked on their incredible journey. They decided to construct a villa that would make everyone in the meadow marvel in awe. First, they laid the foundation, creating a sturdy base with the magnetic balls. As they built the walls, they made sure to include vibrant patterns and designs, adding a touch of artistic elegance to their villa. For a touch of luxury, they decided to include not one but 2 round rooftop swimming pools. The magnetic balls formed the perfect shape, and soon the crystal clear pools were shimmering in the sunlight. They added a high water slide connecting both pools, creating an exhilarating ride that spiraled around the villa. Surrounding their villa, they dug a massive circular pond, which would serve as their very own serene fishing lake. They filled it with colorful fish and lily pads, making it a true aquatic paradise. As the days turned into weeks, Max, Mia, and Milo encountered various challenges. There were moments of doubt and frustration, but they persevered with their unwavering determination. They built bridges, fountains, and even a tiny magnetic boat for exploring their fish-filled pond. Finally, after 180 minutes of hard work and adventure, their masterpiece was complete. The magnetic villa stood tall, a testament to their teamwork, creativity, and unwavering friendship. As they celebrated their achievement, they knew that their magnetic villa would be a place of wonder and joy for all the creatures in the meadow. Max, Mia, and Milo had created a masterpiece that would be cherished for generations, and their epic adventure had brought them closer than ever before. And so, in that peaceful meadow, the magnetic villa of Max, Mia, and Milo became a place where dreams came true and where the spirit of adventure and friendship would forever thrive. The villa created by Max, Mia, and Milo was a true masterpiece that left everyone who saw it in awe. Perched high in the meadow, it was a sight to behold, and its intricate details and stunning features made it a place of wonder and enchantment. The magnetic villa had a foundation made of gleaming magnetic balls of various colors, forming a sturdy base that provided stability and strength to the entire structure. The walls of the villa were a work of art, adorned with intricate patterns and designs, each created with precision and care. The vibrant colors of the magnetic balls added a touch of whimsy and charm to the villa's exterior. One of the most remarkable features of the villa was its dual round rooftop swimming pools. These pools were constructed with perfect symmetry, and their crystal clear water sparkled in the sunlight. A high water slide spiraled down from one pool to the other, offering an exhilarating and gravity-defying experience for anyone brave enough to take the plunge. Surrounding the villa was a massive circular pond, which Max, Mia, and Milo had dug themselves. This pond was not only visually stunning but also served as a serene fishing lake. It was teeming with colorful fish that swam gracefully among the lily pad, creating a tranquil and picturesque scene. The villa was adorned with tiny magnetic bridges that crossed over the pond, connecting various parts of the property. Miniature fountains sprayed water into the air, creating a soothing ambience. The trio even crafted a tiny magnetic boat, perfect for leisurely rides on the pond. As the sun set on their 180-minute adventure, the villa stood tall and proud, a symbol of their creativity, teamwork, and determination. It was a place where dreams came true, where the spirit of adventure thrived, and where the bond of friendship was unbreakable. Max, Mia, and Milo's magnetic villa was a true masterpiece, and its enchanting beauty would be cherished for generations to come. It was a testament to the power of imagination and the magic of working together to create something extraordinary. In that peaceful meadow, the villa stood as a reminder that even the most ambitious dreams could be realized with hard work, creativity, and the unwavering spirit of friendship. It was a place where everyone was welcome, and where the wonders of the world could be discovered, one magnetic ball at a time.